is time to collect some trash. Let's go! That's a nice color vest you have there.
Jelly?
Little bit. Hey, we have a Henny here.
Hello.
And a Duppy. And some other freaks. So it's now still early. And the cart is still empty. But that'll change soon. So yeah, we are doing a cleanup at the Maas River, as you can see behind me. And today we're going to try and fill this space up with garbage. So let's get starting. Yes! First bag filled! This here is Peter from Toys in the Attic LARP. Shout out to those guys for helping. Is that underwear?
It is. Ooh, fancy.
Behind me, this actually has been cleaned. Now if you can see what is here, like before here, this is quite sad. This is very saddening.
I have some garbage.
It's the plastics are all over the place.
It's a bird! It's a plane! No, it's just Tom in a tree. What you doing, Tom?
Getting junk out of a tree.
Well, what's the chances of you falling?
About 250.
It's not very high.
250. Oh.
Well, as you can see, we're doing our best.
Oh.
Almost! Almost! You almost got it, people!
I almost broke my neck.
Well, I'm also gonna get back to work.
Get back to work, you!
And probably when I stop filming, Tom will fall.
So we've been at it for about a half hour now. And this is just from this little piece here.
There comes the garbage truck.
Garbage truck Tom.
So, we got a Ruben.
Hello.
We got a Deppy, and we got a Tom. Tom? Tom?
Yes?
Oh, there he is!
We are doing sketchy shit.
Doo-da, doo-da. Tom is gonna break his neck. Oh, the doo-da day. Yes. A lot of plastic here in the trees, because the water can be really high here. And we are cleaning. Still. Hard at work. But this is already clean. and it used to look like this. So we decided that Tom needed a new bumper. What do you guys think? It's pretty. Cleaning. Let's go check how much we have cleaned until now. Yes. We filled the trash can. So.
Oh. Having a little break now. We're drinking some coffee, and after that we're going to empty our little trailer. That's the word I've been looking for all day. Trailer. Aanhanger.
That's word of the day.
Trailer. Aanhanger. Kar. Nice.
It's empty again.
What did we find?
I'm digging a hole.
You're digging a hole.
I'm digging a hole.
It's a shopping cart! Speaking of shopping carts, go to Arbitrage Tom for some awesome merchandise and put it in your own shopping cart. Odin is on a shopping spree.
We are archaeologists.
I was actually just thinking like the same, that in future archaeologists won't have any trouble finding stuff of us.
No.
Because there's a lot. Still digging the pink though. So we've been going a little bit deeper into the woods, whatever stuffs, and we've come along some interesting stuff.
Shopping cart.
Shopping cart. Chairs. 3 or 4 chairs. A kiddie go-kart thingy. Sir, what are you doing? Haha! It's on camera. Totally did not do that off camera. Satisfying moves.
It's not moving, but it should move. That gross.
Ah. Fiddly. Oh, it is moving. Oh, I think I forgot to close the door. Hold on. There we go.
jij bent aan het tellen?
Hoeveel waren er? 50, 51, 51. Yeah, something.
Container.
So this is our third full trailer of trash. And these guys have been very busy collecting all the stuff and getting all the trash out of the trees and whatnot. It was a lot of work, but I think we made a difference. So here we are, the end of the day. We've collected
58 bags and a lot of stuff that we didn't put into the bags.
like
Containers, everything. Like
lots of stuff. So Peter here, he is from
Toys in the Attic. Yes, activity group in the south of the Netherlands.
yeah, and me and Odin also are part of that group. That's why we joined forces here to try and clean up a little bit of the Maas.
Of the Maas. Yeah.
Dutch River of the Day.
We're doing, Toys in the Attic is already doing this for like, it's the 6th time.
So 8 years.
In 8 years total. As a group we always get the tougher parts because we have the trucks so we can go to places where other groups cannot go.
Yeah, this is I think the 3rd time that we used a Unimog to drive the trash.
Yes.
We don't have fun doing this sort of
No,
stuff.
it's very serious business.
Yes, yes. People keep saying that the Unimogs are bad for the environment. Have you seen the trash here? We've done our part. I think we can go off-roading again now with a clear conscience because we know we did our part in a little bit cleaning. Stop the plastic. Buy an old truck.
Do you like Tom's new vehicle?
Someone push me.
Do a thumbs up and subscribe.